I, Dr. Ricky AJ Synkon, having been elected a member of the House of the People,
A sudden shock,
that I will bear true
a heartfelt pain.
to the Constitution of India,
Dr. Ricky AJ Synkon, gone too soon,
sovereignty, and
leaving us in vain.
that I will
Your
faithfully
work and legacy,
the duty of
a lasting flame, inspiring many in the Cassie name.
Oh God, why take him away? A honest soul, a heart that sways.
We mourn his loss, we grieve his death, but celebrate his life, his noble breath.
Trong cái chữ em trong những ông công ông po yang awan em nong Chris ban ban yak nong chim toy daga dei ban sha iben ban sha kren ben compare namar yang ahi ban em nong Chris ko mot kat bang ngadang ring min siam ha ni ko slak ndo nan sakhi yo long yo lo jong u kan ra daga dei ban yak kabyang namar nak ikna
A legacy that's
Malukan
won.
Aku